In a quiet little town, nestled among the trees, lived a young girl named Credence Barebone, as lively as the breeze. With her soft, golden hair and a heart full of cheer, she danced through the meadows, singing songs so clear. One day, she found a tiny bird, lost and all alone, cared for it gently, with a mother's tender tone. With seeds and water and a warm, cozy nest, Credence made sure that little bird would rest. As days turned into weeks, the bird grew strong. With Credence's care, it learned to sing its song. One morning, as the sun began to rise, the bird took flight into the vast blue skies. Though it left her heart with a twinge of sadness, Credence knew it was time for the feathered gladness. She smiled, remembering the days they spent, and vowed to help any creature that was bent. Credence Barebone, with her caring, kind soul, would always be a friend to those who roamed the soil. So, whenever you see a bird, flying high and free, remember Credence Barebone, with her heart as pure as the sea. And when you see a small creature, lost and in need, think of Credence Barebone, and the kindness she'd spread. She's watching us all, with her love in her heart. Here, in our world, or in that magical art.